for me, if I'm employing someone who's worked 3 years in the industry to someone who hasn't but has a degree, I'm probably going to go for the apprenticeship simply because it's a lot more practical. There's stuff that you learn at uni that you don't learn until you actually go out and get a job, which is why apprenticeship's so good. First year of college, I realised that I'd basically got bored of sitting in classrooms and being told to write stuff from one textbook to the other, without that sounding bad. So I realised that after college, I was gonna get a job. I didn't know necessarily at the time that was going to be an apprenticeship, but I did decide that I didn't want to go to uni. Although the lifestyle looked quite nice, I realised I was quite a practical person. I enjoyed doing practical things, and I'd much rather go out and get a job. The good thing with apprenticeships is that you're employing people who are really enthusiastic about this stuff and also really knowledgeable as well. I had a Facebook account since I was 10, 11, which meant before I even started my job, I had already been on Facebook for 7 years, which is probably a lot longer than anyone on their team at the time. It's weird that you are so comfortable with these channels at a young age, but it's also really good because you are really knowledgeable in it. After I completed my apprenticeship, I felt a real drive and hunger to keep developing as a person, to keep learning. Of course, marketing's wonderful because there's so much you can learn about it, and it's constantly changing as well. I don't think I would have been able to make that progression without the apprenticeship, and I also don't think it would have happened as quickly as it did. I started my apprenticeship in 2015, and by 2018, I was a social media manager. So it was a really swift progression for me, and it just felt so natural at the time. The apprenticeship has definitely given me the position I am today.